Ciao a tutti and welcome back to my kitchen. Yesterday I made some beautiful buttermilk. You can check out the video. And it was lovely then, but look now, it is so good. So today I'm making some buttermilk scones, but not sweet, I'm making them savory. So what you'll need is a lined tin. All I've done is wet the baking paper for a little bit, scrunch it up and put it in the tin. Lovely. And we will need a food processor, which you'll see how it takes seconds to do this. Let's get started. First of all, we need to turn on the oven, 200 degrees. So 200 degrees Celsius, perfect. Get that going and move this to one side because we don't need it just yet. So we just get our processor and in it we're going to add 3.5 cups of self-raising flour. If you're doing it in the processor, you don't need to sift it. We're going to add 1 tablespoon of sugar, just to balance things out, a really good pinch of salt, maybe a little bit more, and some for luck. Then into that, I'm going to add 1 teaspoon of baking powder. That 1 teaspoon. It'll be all right. Now into that, we're going to add our cold cubed butter. Now that's 60 grams of butter. I've just cut it into bits and we're going to add it straight into there. We're going to put the lid on and we're going to give it a good pulse. So we have a look and the butter is just like in tiny little bits like that. Saves you doing it with your hands. Great. A couple of seconds in the processor and it's done. Now into that, we're going to add 1.5 cups of buttermilk. Just a bit more. Now I'm going to leave a little bit behind because you don't know about the flour. Depends on which one you use. Let's give it a whirl. Let's have a look. It's looking good. Just going to get a spatula. Wonderful, just what we need. And welcome back. Here we go. We've got our bench. We're going to sprinkle it with some extra flour. Get rid of all this because we need all this. Look at that, it's just perfect. And here we have the beautiful mixture. Before I press it all together, I'm going to add my cheese. In here, I've got 1 cup of grated tasty and 1/2 cup of mozzarella, just to give it that stringiness. Oh, it's going to be good. And we need a really, really good grating of pepper. Just to your liking. I love pepper. That'll be enough, I think. Now we just bring it all together. I'm just going to add a couple of teaspoons extra of the buttermilk just to bring it all together. So here we go. As you can see, it's come together, just pressing it. So we're ready to cut our scones. And we're back. Here's our dough, just had a bit of a clean up. As you can see, it's still nice and compact. Don't overwork it. You'll get really dense scones. So I'm just going to sprinkle a little bit of flour on the top And on the bottom, and just roll them out till they're about an inch. And then with your trusty cutter in the flour, do not twist, just straight down and up. Oh, these are going to be good. Now with this extra dough, just press it together like that, and you continue. This little baby's for me. Now with our 10 that we've got prepared, just put them in. I like to put mine really close together. That way you get them really high. They've got nowhere else to go but up. And this little baby's mine. Have a look at that. They're going to go into a preheated 200-degree oven, like I was telling you before, for about 18 minutes, and then we'll check them. Welcome back. The house smells amazing. Let's get it out. Oh yeah, look at that. Delicious. Oh, look at that. We'll move this out of the way. And here they are out of the oven. Still very hot, but look at that. They are perfectly cooked. They're high, very hot. Oh, look at that. Let's give it a taste test. They are delicious. You've got to give them a go.